You might just be a fan of South Korea's very popular girl group, Blackpink. If you are, then you're going to be really happy with today's drawing. Of course, the colors are black and pink and a bit of white, as well as flesh tones for the main character we're drawing, a Blackpink fangirl. Looking a bit like a cheerleader, well, fans are cheerleaders, aren't they? You're going to need to make sure to get the word pink on the front of her blouse. This looks like fun to draw. Let's get going. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe